I got a 2023 Toyota Corolla. It came in because it says the radio isn't working unless you put it in reverse. So, let's see. Put the key in, turn the key on. Oh, Toyota symbol. That's it. Put it in reverse, the camera comes on. Put it in neutral, nothing. Drive, nothing. So I'm gonna take it out and see what happens. So to take this radio out, I'm gonna pull this panel off. So pull that out. Then you're gonna wanna take this out. I know, right? That looks crazy, huh? That I pulled that out so easily. These cars are put together very cheaply. Alright, so it was 4 10mm bolts in here. One, two, three, right here, and 4. So I'm gonna take those out and then I'm gonna get back with you in a second. I'm gonna grab it out. Alright, this is in my hand. Got the radio in my hand. I'm gonna leave it unplugged for about 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna plug it back in and just turn the car on, see what it does, see if it resets itself.